Hey everyone, my name is Alok, the co-founder and CEO of Autoreal. Today I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to create beautiful property videos from just your listing photos on our AI-powered platform. Let's go ahead and get started. Now as we enter the dashboard, the left side will showcase all my listings or projects, whatever you want to call it, but I'm going to create a new one for today's demo. It's going to be for my listing here at 5005 Buchanan, here in Austin, Texas. On the next step, we can upload our photos directly from our computer or just punch in a Zillow.com or realtor.com URL. For simplicity, I'm going to go ahead with that option. But again, your listing does not have to be live. You can just upload your photos directly from your computer. In just seconds, Autoreal starts downloading and ingesting all of the photos directly from your listing. Let's click Next. On the next page, we now see all the photos that we've uploaded, and we can select the ones that we want to showcase in our video. Now, typically, we see the best results with 30-second long videos, which is typically 10 to 12 images. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select my images here, and I can also reorder them, remove them, and modify my selection right here. I'm going to select the outside of the house. We definitely want to showcase that. It's beautiful. We have a beautiful living room here as well. Let's showcase the kitchen as well as a transition. Definitely want the bathroom here. It's a beautiful bathroom, loft, bedroom, and then let's finish up with a backyard or aerial. Here it is. That's perfect. So here we go. I can drag and rearrange these images in any way right here. I can click on it to unselect it or click it back to bring it back in. Now I've got my 10 images, which will create roughly a 30-second long video that we'll now create in just moments. Let's click Next. Now on the next screen, we can customize our video. This is the last and final step. Within each image, we can see the ones that we had selected. We can take a look at all the different camera movements that we have offered here. Now, that said, we do recommend automatic. It's the most dynamic, most accurate, and we use AI to detect the exact scene and determine the best movement for that image and placement. I'm going to stick to automatic for all these examples. We can select orientation, either vertical or horizontal, or landscape or portrait. Now, while we support any format, we do recommend for best practice to use the same orientation photo for the orientation of the video. Again, not required, but best practice. So for vertical videos, we recommend vertical photos. For horizontal videos, we recommend horizontal photos. Not required, but best practice. Here we can now select our background audio. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two versions of this video very quickly, one non-branded and one branded. That makes it really easy to market my property listing across all the platforms. Now, just to give you a little walkthrough, you can see the different songs that we have here. This will be growing in a meaningful way very soon. I can also upload my own track here as well, and you can see the tracks I've already uploaded here. We'll come back to this in our edit, but let's create a non-branded video to start. The AI engine and video resolution I'm going to leave as defaults. We're going to use the latest AI engine that we have and the highest resolution full HD. And now the customization around the intro, outro, and branding, I'm going to leave and do for our edit. We're going to do a quick edit and add that. So right now, let's just create the property video using the photos I've selected here. And that's it. Autoreal is processing the video. It'll take typically 8 to 12 minutes and we'll email you when it's ready. But it really is that easy. 3 clicks and Autoreal creates a gorgeous video. Let's give this a couple minutes and come right back. Amazing. That video was fantastic and ready to go for the MLS. Now I want to customize this, make it my own, and make it ready for social media. So I'm going to add some branding, music, and call to action. I'm going to go ahead to edit, click quick edit. Now quick shout out to Studio. It's our brand new built-in video editor with a lot more templates and customization, but that's for a different demo. We'll link it somewhere around here. Let's go to quick edit. Now in this case, I can drag and reorder any of these images. In this case, I'm going to make the bedroom before the bathroom, but besides that, this looks great. Let's go to next. I'm going to select some music. Again, I can select from songs that we already have, but I really like this one that I've already uploaded before. And now I'm going to add my intro and outro text. I'm going to select my font style. In this case, we have a couple fonts that you can select from. I'm going to go with minimal and simple. And then I'm going to include my profile picture and branding. That's it. Let's create the video. You can see in just 2 minutes, we've made this video our own. We added some intro text, we have music, and we have branding here at the end. This looks great and ready to go. I'm going to click share and download the video. Now you can also copy the URL, or you can download the individual clips and really make it your own. In a separate video, we're going to walk you through some more advanced features of Autoreal, but today I want to showcase how fast, easy, and simple it is to create beautiful videos from just photos in 3 clicks, 10 minutes with Autoreal's AI-powered platform. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to see what you create.